So Harvest for Health is an intervention that we're testing. It's a vegetable gardening intervention for cancer survivors. One morning when I was reading the Sunday paper, there was an article by a master gardener. His name was Tony Glover, and he did an article about planting your vegetable garden. The master gardeners really are part of the healthcare team, if you will.
She presented an idea of how master gardeners could use their skills to help people that were recovering or had recovered from cancer, and then track them over time to see if it improved their life in any way in terms of health outcomes. And that just seemed like a perfect fit for our volunteer program to give them a really meaningful project that they could work on.
This is a rarity, and what they're discovering through this study is just something that is very groundbreaking.
Now I get outside a lot more. I really enjoy playing in the dirt, working in the dirt. So it's been quite a bit of change for me.
I was very excited when I first heard about the program because gardening is something I'm interested in, and they were going to give me all the supplies and install it for me and give me a person to help me with it. I said, boy, why not?
I absolutely, positively love gardening.